Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing KVM, libvirt, Virt Manager, and ensuring your CPU supports virtualization. This gives you the infrastructure. Once done, enable and start libvirt so the daemon manages VMs. Next, create a storage pool or QCOW2 disk with KVM and make an ISO available. This supplies the VM image. Then use virt install or Virt Manager to begin a new guest creation session. You're executing the first concrete steps that produce a bootable VM. Now run virt install or open Virt Manager to craft the guest. Specify name, memory, VCPUS, and disk with the QCOW2 file so the VM has resources. Make sure to choose Virtio for disk and network for performance. If you use bridged networking, attach the bridge interface so the guest reaches your LAN. Once configured, install the OS from ISO. After the installer finishes, install guest tools and adjust CPU pinning or ballooning for better density and performance. Finish by installing the guest agent and any drivers, enable auto start for the domain if you want it persistent, and create a snapshot or backup so you can roll back changes. Once running, use Virsh for lifecycle actions and check domain logs for errors. If the VM won't boot, inspect journal.ul libvirt, verify the disk path and permissions, and confirm NICs are attached with Virsh domiflist. This single troubleshooting approach solves most common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.